Your blood type is a fundamental part of you, just like your DNA. It's a unique identifier that can reveal a lot about your biological makeup. It's determined by the presence of specific antigens on the surface of your red blood cells. These antigens are proteins that act as markers, distinguishing your blood type from others. These antigens are like little flags that signal your blood type to your immune system. They play a crucial role in how your body responds to foreign substances. There are four main blood types in the ABO system: A, B, AB, and O. Each type has its own unique set of antigens. Each type is further classified as either positive or negative based on the presence or absence of the Rh factor. This Rh factor is another antigen that can be found on the surface of red blood cells. This creates 8 common blood types: a positive, a negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, and O negative. Each of these types has specific compatibility rules for blood transfusions. Knowing your blood type is crucial for various reasons, especially in medical emergencies. It can be the difference between life and death when a quick blood transfusion is needed. It determines who you can safely donate blood to and receive blood from. Blood type compatibility is essential to prevent adverse reactions during transfusions. Understanding your blood type is not just about medical compatibility. It can also provide valuable information about your genetic heritage and potential health risks. It can offer insights into your health, influence your diet, and even provide clues about your personality. Some studies suggest that certain blood types may be more prone to specific health conditions or may benefit from particular dietary choices. Each blood type has unique characteristics that set it apart, making every individual unique in their own way. These differences are deeply rooted in our evolutionary history and have significant implications for our health and well-being, influencing how our bodies respond to various conditions. For instance, people with blood type O are considered universal donors because their blood lacks A and B antigens, making it compatible with any other blood type. This means their blood can be given to individuals with any ABO blood type, which is crucial in emergency situations where time is of the essence. On the other hand, people with blood type AB are universal recipients because their blood doesn't contain antibodies against A or B antigens, allowing them to receive blood from any ABO type. Blood type A individuals are believed to have a higher risk of certain conditions like stomach cancer and heart disease, which necessitates regular health checkups and a proactive approach to their health. However, they are also thought to be more resilient to historical diseases like plague and cholera, showcasing the complex interplay between blood type and disease resistance. Blood type B individuals are associated with a higher risk of pancreatic cancer, but a lower risk of heart disease compared to blood type A individuals, highlighting the diverse health profiles linked to different blood types. Understanding these differences can empower you to make informed decisions about your health and lifestyle, tailoring your healthcare approach to your unique genetic makeup and blood type. Many myths surround blood types and their supposed influence on our lives. It's essential to separate fact from fiction and rely on scientific evidence. One common myth is that blood type determines your personality. While some studies suggest correlations, these findings are often weak and inconsistent. Personality is complex and influenced by a multitude of factors beyond blood type. Another myth is that certain blood types make you more susceptible to specific diseases. While some associations exist, they don't imply causation. Having a particular blood type doesn't guarantee you'll develop a specific illness. It's crucial to approach claims about blood types with a healthy dose of skepticism and consult reliable sources for accurate information. Antigens are the key players in blood compatibility. These molecules on the surface of red blood cells act like identification tags, allowing your body to recognize its own blood cells from foreign ones. When you receive a blood transfusion, your immune system checks the incoming blood for compatible antigens. If the antigens don't match, your immune system will launch an attack, leading to a potentially life-threatening transfusion reaction. The ABO and Rh systems are the most important blood group systems for transfusion compatibility. The ABO system determines your blood type, A, B, AB, or O, based on the presence or absence of A and B antigens. The Rh system determines whether your blood type is positive or negative based on the presence or absence of the Rhd antigen. Understanding the role of antigens is crucial for ensuring safe blood transfusions and avoiding complications. Section 5. Blood compatibility, a matter of life and death. Blood transfusions are a life-saving medical procedure, but they can be dangerous if incompatible blood is given. That's why knowing your blood type and understanding blood compatibility is crucial, especially in emergencies. In an emergency situation, there's often no time to determine a patient's blood type. In these cases, type O negative blood is considered the universal donor blood type because it lacks A, B, and Rh antigens. This means it can be given to anyone without causing an immediate transfusion reaction. However, it's always best to match the blood type as closely as possible for optimal safety and effectiveness. Knowing your blood type can be a matter of life and death, ensuring you receive the right blood type if you ever need a transfusion. Section 6. The evolutionary journey of blood types. The distribution of blood types varies across the globe, reflecting our evolutionary history and adaptation to different environments. Each blood type tells a unique story of human migration, survival, and adaptation. Blood type O, the oldest blood type, is thought to have originated in Africa. This type is prevalent among indigenous populations and is considered the universal donor type. It's believed to be the ancestral blood type from which other blood types evolved. The evolutionary tree shows how blood types diversified over millennia. Blood type A is thought to have emerged around 20,000 years ago, likely in response to changes in diet and environment as humans settled into agricultural communities, followed by blood type B around 15,000 years ago. This type is more common in populations from Asia and parts of Africa. Blood type AB, the rarest blood type, is the newest, arising within the last 1,000 years. It's a combination of A and B and is found in less than 5% of the global population. These blood type variations are believed to be linked to environmental pressures like disease outbreaks and dietary changes. For example, certain blood types may offer resistance to specific diseases. For instance, blood type A is more common in areas with a history of infectious diseases like smallpox and plague. This suggests a possible evolutionary advantage in these regions. Understanding the evolutionary context of blood types provides a fascinating glimpse into our shared human history. It highlights how our ancestors adapted to their environments and how these adaptations continue to influence us today. Section 7. Blood types and health, a closer look. While your blood type doesn't dictate your destiny, it can offer valuable insights into your health predispositions. Research suggests that certain blood types may be associated with a higher or lower risk of specific conditions. For example, people with blood type O tend to have lower risks of heart disease, but higher risks of ulcers. Blood type A, individuals, on the other hand, might be more susceptible to blood clots and certain cancers. These associations are not fully understood, but they likely stem from the interplay of blood type, genetics, and environmental factors. While these associations are intriguing, remember that they don't guarantee you'll develop a particular condition or remain disease-free. Section 8. The gut feeling. Blood types and your microbiome. Emerging research suggests a fascinating link between your blood type and your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria residing in your digestive tract. Your blood type influences the types and quantities of bacteria that thrive in your gut. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. For instance, people with blood type O tend to have higher levels of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. These bacteria are known to promote gut health and support a strong immune system. Understanding how your blood type influences your gut microbiome can pave the way for personalized dietary and lifestyle interventions to optimize your gut health. Section 9. Blood types and personality more than just a hunch. The idea that blood type influences personality has long been a subject of fascination and debate. While scientific evidence remains inconclusive, Some studies suggest intriguing correlations. For instance, in Japanese culture, blood type is often associated with personality traits. Blood type A, individuals are perceived as organized and detail-oriented, while blood type B individuals are seen as more creative and free-spirited. While these associations are generally considered pseudoscience in the West, they persist in some cultures, influencing social interactions and even job opportunities. While the link between blood type and personality is far from established, it continues to spark curiosity and fuel cultural beliefs. Section 10. Know your type, live better. Understanding your blood type is more than just a medical necessity. It's about taking charge of your health and making informed decisions. Knowing your blood type can guide your dietary choices, optimize your fitness routine, and even enhance your self-awareness. While blood type is just one piece of the puzzle, it's a valuable piece that can contribute to a healthier and more fulfilling life. So, if you don't know your blood type, make it a priority to find out. It's a simple step that can empower you to make choices that support your well-being.